Well, it's something a lot of men just can't understand. We're talking about painful periods. It often means a visit to the medicine cabinet for many women. Beatrice Politi, however, now has a drug-free alternative.
Cramps so bad, I can't get out of bed.
It's a familiar refrain for many women.
The pain's mostly in my abdomen, as you can imagine.
Getting her period used to mean going right back to bed for 17-year-old Alexis Callis.
Every first day of my period, I would miss school that day.
Callis ended up turning to painkillers.
I was taking 900 milligram ibuprofens multiple times a day to get rid of the pain.
Now she's traded those drugs for this, something called an Allay patch. The wire loop goes inside the pouch. You turn it on and place it against the area where you're feeling cramps. Its makers say the wire gives off pulsed electromagnetic stimulation, or electric current, which is supposed to help relieve pain.
The most similar thing that we would have is something that we call TENS, which is transcutaneous nerve stimulation. Those are patches that are used by physiotherapists to help relieve pain.
It's estimated up to 30% of women experience enough pain during their periods that it interferes with work and social activities.
In the past, women have had good relief from the old-fashioned hot water bottle or the more recent bean bag that you can heat up in a microwave. That moist heat is really helpful. That's why a hot bath works.
This neurosurgeon deals with patients who experience chronic pain. He says more studies and research are needed to see if the product truly works, but
the principle is giving a pulse in the hopes that maybe you're changing some of the chemicals, some of the membranes, maybe even the nerves. That's an interesting idea, and certainly should not be dismissed out of hand.
Callis still has to plan around her period, but only to make sure she remembers to put on the patch.
If you put it on before the pain comes, the pain will not come. Is how I have experienced it.